You, yes you there, behind the screen. How can you enjoy your music if you're introducing noisy mains power into your system? Well, look no further because we have the solution and it's called the PowerStation. If you didn't know what that was, I was impersonating the headmaster who was yelling at the child in the music video of Pink Floyd's Another Brick in the Wall, which is the song that we've dedicated to the PowerStation. On a side note, I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can go and check out the music video and also check out the song. Overall, the PowerStation is an active mains power block that comes with 4 different variations, and it also combines the same technology as found in the ACI purifier, such as active noise cancellation, intelligent ground, polarity detection, overvoltage surge protection, and as well as new features. These new features are pure solid copper bus bars that delivers power to each copper outlet that is also isolated from one another, heavy continuous casting copper wiring throughout the whole PowerStation, dedicated chassis grounding system, and also extra filtration components on each individual outlet. Now that we've introduced the technology, let's head into unboxing the PowerStation. As you can see, there is a user manual which informs you about the functionality of the PowerStation, a warranty card so you can register the product with us, a packet of silica gel which helps with any moisture within the contents of the box, 2 side panels of cardboard that holds the PowerStation secure during shipment, and finally an accessory box that holds the IEC cable depending on the version of PowerStation that you have purchased, for example UK, EU, Australian and US. Now that we've checked out the contents of the PowerStation, let's check out the internal so you guys can see what's happening and how it's all wired up. As a disclaimer, we are dismantling the PowerStation so you guys can see what's inside. Please do not dismantle this or customize the PowerStation in any way, as this will void your warranty. Upon opening up the PowerStation and removing the plastic guard, we can see that there is heavy continuous casting copper wiring from the IEC inputs runs along the rail system directly into an ACI purifier. From here, all power must pass through the active noise cancellation, which then the power distributes through to the copper isolated outlets via the pure copper solid bus bars. You can also see the yellow components, which are the additional passive filters, further reducing noise on each outlet. In this clip, I've took a close-up of the IEC wiring and also the dedicated chassis grounding system. Here is the PCB of the ACI purifier that we've pulled out of the PowerStation. It's split into 2 parts, so let's clarify what each section is responsible for. First, this section here is the input filtering, which goes into the active noise cancellation. However, this has 2 systems. The first is differential and the second is common mode. Over here is the power supply for the ACI purified circuit. This part of the circuit is for detecting polarity and also the ground. Here is the circuit for intelligent ground. Then we have the MOV for surge protection. And here is a small fuse for further protection. Setting up the PowerStation is very easy. You only need the provided IEC cable, like so, to connect to the rear of the unit. Additionally, you can use a separate IAC cable like the following power cord 777 made by our parent company AMR to further elevate the performance of the power station. Once inserted, you can start to add your power supplies, but for UK power stations, please be aware we've added a cover to this. What this means, if your power supply is not inserted correctly, the cover will not open up. You need to insert the ground pin first, then the cover will open up. Well, that was an overall introduction into the power station. Please stick around for part 2, in which we'll be discussing the functionalities and also go into more detail of the power station and what it can do. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned for future videos, please subscribe to our channel and you'll get notifications. Thanks for watching.